Synopsis of AI/ML model architecture with Python content. Overall, this book serves as a valuable resource for professionals and organizations seeking to understand and apply AI/ML principles in a practical and impactful manner. Combining theoretical knowledge with real-world examples and Python code, it empowers readers to navigate the future of AI/ML and drive innovation within their respective fields. Additionally, the book is supported by over 500 AI/ML videos on YouTube and an exclusive book website, making it an indispensable resource for mastering AI/ML model architecture. This book, AI/ML Model Architecture with Python, focuses on practical applications of AI and machine learning, ML, with a strong emphasis on Python programming. Key features. Practical approach. The book provides hands-on experience through numerous Python programs, demonstrating real-world AI/ML implementations across various domains. Industry relevance. It covers a wide range of applications, including manufacturing, cost prediction, yield forecasting, machine maintenance planning, finance, stock price prediction, financial performance analysis, ROI forecasting, automotive, cost prediction in luxury car engine manufacturing, education, student and teacher performance analysis. Management perspective. The book considers the management implications of AI/ML, including decision-making, process optimization, and resource allocation. Comprehensive coverage. It explores the entire AI/ML process, from problem definition and data preparation to model training, evaluation, and deployment. Advanced concepts. The book delves into advanced topics like model architecture, designing and implementing complex AI/ML models. Visualization, creating interactive visualizations for data analysis and model interpretation using libraries like Plotly. Integration, integrating AI/ML models into existing business processes. Benefits for professionals and organizations. Gain practical skills, develop hands-on Python programming skills for implementing AI/ML solutions. Improve decision-making, learn how to leverage AI/ML insights to make informed business decisions. Optimize processes, discover how to use AI/ML to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Stay competitive, gain a competitive edge by adopting and effectively utilizing AI/ML technologies. Thank you.